Would you believe that people are getting paid $10, $20, $40 to be an online friend and chat with people online? So if you have an hour or two to spare and chat with somebody online, you can make as high as $20 per hour. Guys, this video is going to blow your mind. And this is happening on Fiverr. So people create a gig. They get people from different parts of the world, reach out to them to be their friend for 1 hour or two, and they pay them based on how long they spend chatting online. This is indeed a free PayPal money, the easiest way to make money online. Now look at this. This lady charges $15 to chat with people online, and a lot of people are buying the service. So she spent 1 hour or 2 hours chatting with you. At the end of this chat, you pay her between $5 and $15 for just chatting with you online. And she has yet another one in queue. So someone is waiting to chat with her and pay her for chatting. This is a full definition of free PayPal money, where you get paid to render a friendly service. There are a lot of them selling this friendship service online. From my findings, those that are making a lot of money and selling their gigs did something very outstanding. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you what they did and how you can take advantage of that. So when you sign up to be an online friend, you will also get a lot of gigs the way they do. So let's dive into the video. Let me show you how you can make money being an online friend. So here are people making money on Fiverr just being an online friend. And it's not like they're going to be your friend forever. They will be your friend for 1 hour or 2 hours and you pay them for that. If you scroll down here, you are going to see a lot of them. This one says, I will be your true online friend from Indonesia. I will be your online friend by chat. And these guys are getting orders. You can see. Now, these numbers here are not number of services they've rendered. These are just number of people that came back to give them reviews. If you look down here, you see that some of them are getting offers and some are not. Like I promised, I will explain to you 3 outstanding things those ones that are getting a lot of offers are doing that's attracting customers to them, and how you too can apply that to get a lot of customers. This one has gotten 19 reviews and it says, I will listen to your relationship problem and give you advice. I will be your virtual counselor and life coach. I will give you relationship advice or be your online dating coach. This is a male seller. It says, I will be your guide, life coach and friend. Let's look at the offers they are making. Here is this seller. It says, I will be your online friend by chat. Very specific, and his basic fee is $5. He's going to chat with you for 2 hours. His standard fee is $10. His premium fee is $15. Now look at her graphics. This is so good. If I'm looking for an online friend, I most likely reach out to her because this is so nice. Look at other ones. I love them. Here is something that does it for me. She says, a true friend is someone who reaches for your hand and touches your heart. This quote alone gives this impression that this seller knows what she's doing and she's going to deliver on her promise. Here is another seller. Her basic fee is $10 and she's going to do 30 minutes video call. Standard fee is $20. Premium fee is $40. I mean, whopping $40 to chat with you for 2 hours online. These are the things you're going to get from her service, the dating advice. This one is social advice and it's so convincing and very outstanding. Here is another seller that says, I will give you relationship advice or be your online dating coach. She charges $15. Premium fee is $35 for 1 hour. So let's go down and look at other service providers here who are doing well. And I'm going to tell you exactly what they do that you too should learn from and apply it in your own. So let's look at this seller here. His basic fee is $25 for a 30 minutes call. Standard fee is $40. Premium fee is $65. If you look at the graphics, he is using videos. You play it so you get to see the face of someone you are chatting with. You can see how many gigs he's gotten. Like I said, not everyone here is getting offers, and I'm going to explain to you. Now, here is my fav, and he's one of the best sellers. He says, I will funny dance and sing your logo, business or friend's name. His basic fee is $20, guys, and he's going to do 30 to 45 seconds freestyle dance for you. His standard fee is $40. Premium fee is $85. Let's look at the services he renders that's bringing him this money. So this is what he does here, and people pay him for this freestyle dance. Let's look at other ones. This is freestyle dance, and this man is getting paid $85 for this. Let's look at other ones.
Hey Kevin, This video he's advertising for an online clothing brand. He advertises for bloggers, podcasters, and a whole lot of other services, and he's getting paid here. I'm going to show you a lot of things he does that's attracting a lot of customers for him. Let's scroll down and I will show you other services this seller offers. That says here, I will create a great unboxing or demo video, and he's got 120 reviews. He charges $65 for this. Another service, he will do the Australian nature guide. He's gotten 1,000 plus reviews. Guess what? His basic fee is $80, so he charges more than $80 for this. 1,000 plus people have worked with him and given him reviews. Finally, he says, I will do a professional male Australian voiceover for you for $5. Let's look at 3 outstanding things these guys that are getting a lot of gigs are using to make a lot of money. First one is creative offers. Unlike people that are saying, I will be your online friend, they go beyond being an online friend to add extra value to their offer. So some of them said, I will be your relationship advisor, I will be your online friend by chat. That's being very specific. And some of them says, I will be a coach. For those that mention coach, I found out that there are 2 areas of coaching that's doing very well here. The first one is life coach and the other one is relationship coach. So these are the things you need to consider when you apply here. Let me give you a quick tip. Here are some other things you might want to add to your own offer to make it very outstanding. They are good listener, non-judgmental, supportive friend, advisor, and the rest of them. Second point is the cover images. Guys, you see those ones that are doing well, their cover images are very catchy and they tell a story at a glance. They don't just use one picture, they use multiple pictures. But here, some people are just putting the picture of themselves. Some of them are not even showing their face. I don't know how you are going to pay someone who's going to be your friend that is not confident enough or for whatever reason does not want to show his or her face. You can see some of them that are turning their face. Some just uploaded any picture that does not connect with friendship. You can see that this person does not show the face and this image does not pass any message at all. So you want to put up a very captivating cover photo that will tell the story at a glance. So your customer gets to know that you are good at what you do and you can deliver on this. The best of it is using videos where you get to mention what the problem is and how you are going to solve them. And anyone that listens to that video would want to connect with you. Then the third outstanding thing they are doing to get a lot of gigs here is to be detailed. Let your prospective buyer know what he or she is going to get. This gives them the impression that you know what you are saying and you are going to deliver on your promise. These are 3 outstanding things these guys are doing. I'm very sure if you apply this, you're going to get results. Did you get value from this video? Please drop me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Share this video with your family and friends. You'll be helping someone to learn how to make money online doing almost nothing. See you in my next video.